Sri V. Muralidharan, a distinguished Member of Parliament, former Minister of State for External Affairs, Minister of State for Parliamentary Affairs, and a very good human being. When he said, people from his state who have won laurels by participating in quiz relating to Mann Ki Baat and also came with flying colors in the declamation test, they are here. I grabbed the opportunity. I said, I would love to interact with them. My congratulations to all the winners of the quiz competition and declamation. Mann Ki Baat is historically and globally the highest level in terms of viewership, in terms of impact, connect with the people. Democracy means expression and dialogue. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has converted Mann Ki Baat into the highest degree of expression and also dialogue. The ground impact of Mann Ki Baat is amazing. It's a great learning for young boys and girls, for politicians, for bureaucrats, for entrepreneurs. And it dots every part of this country. Mann Ki Baat concept is motivational, inspirational, and highly informative. I would urge every young person to seriously go into the earlier episodes of Mann Ki Baat. And you'll find your knowledge level will go up. You will be stirred to believe in nationalism. You will be fired by the zeal to always keep nation first. Mann Ki Baat, when it was a concept, there was not realization of its impact. Now, people wait for Mann Ki Baat. And Mann Ki Baat has gone beyond politics. It has become a platform to connect with the executive head of the country, who for the first time in 60 years has created history to be third term Prime Minister in continuation after Pandit Nehru. And therefore I appeal to all of you, examine the information you have in Mann Ki Baat. Examine the inspirational quotes in Mann Ki Baat. Examine the people, historical figures whom we had forgotten. He rekindled in us an urge of nationalism to really worship our real heroes. Some not sung at all, some not at all sung, some partly sung. I appeal to everyone now. Sri Ashish Chauhan, National Organizing Secretary, ABVP. I have had the occasion to interact with Sunil Ambekar ji before I became Governor of the State of West Bengal. And I know their commitment, passion, mission, and execution is all driven by only one facet. And facet is national welfare, inclusivity, togetherness, promulgating brotherhood and sisterhood. As a matter of fact, this reminds me of what Vivekananda ji said at Chicago address, a greatest message to the world at large at that point of time at a conference of Congress of Religions and India's rich heritage, inclusivity was declared there. I congratulate him, but I would say, आपके लंबे चौड़े परिवार में आशीष जी उपराष्ट्रपति का परिवार भी जुड़ गया है। और कुछ लोगों को, आप बच्चों को, हमें भी सौभाग्य दो कि हमारे साथ भी 4 दिन बिताएं। And this can be a continuous program every month. As Chairman Rajya Sabha, I have developed a mechanism to train young people to handhold members of parliament. I have concept of teenage interns who for 7 days have the occasion to keep their eyes open, ears open, mouth shut, and see what I do, and they look around and gain thereby. It is heartening to gather from Muralidharan ji, Republic Day and Independence Day. I would make a suggestion to both of you, add 2 more days. We now have for last about a decade celebration of Constitution Day, 26th November, when India got the Constitution. A very important milestone. Make that day also the 3rd day. Then our Constitution was challenged. Young boys and girls, you do not know. Indira Gandhi as Prime Minister imposed emergency. Constitution was shut down. People had no fundamental rights. Lakhs of people were sent to jail. Many of them have become prime ministers. They spent 18 months in jail. The doors of judiciary were shut down. For you it is history. But imagine and look around what happened during that period. And therefore I urge both of them, V. Muralidharan and Ashish Chauhan, to add Constitution Hatya Divas of 25th June 1975. Because unless you read history, unless you know the perils we have suffered, unless you know the dangers that are there, and therefore we have to ensure our democratic roots go deep. And democratic roots go deep only when people interact, people communicate, people have occasion to have expression with others and meaningful dialogue. This is a unique gathering of young boys and girls of 9 states. Meghalaya, Tripura, Sikkim, Nagaland, Arunachal, Mizoram, Manipur, Assam, Astalakshmi. I have been to each of the states. I have seen your rich culture, cuisine, tribal traditions, and the talent which is there. I have had the occasion to spend time both as governor, the state of West Bengal, because I was heading Eastern Zonal Cultural Center. All these are absolutely amazing states. They are gold mine for tourism. They are treasure of culture, on ethnicity, variety, unimaginable on the planet. We must decide tour east, travel east, receive people from the east. That interaction has to take a very high level of interaction. I have had the occasion to invite artists and students from Northeast to Rashtrapati Niwas. And what a presentation was there. Suddenly I told them, you sing a song. And I was enthused. Dance, everything. My salutation to Ashtalakshmi. In early 1990s, the government thought wisely. Look east. But Prime Minister Modi has taken it to the next level. Act East. And that Act East is being canvassed, furthered by Ashish Chauhan and his worthy team. Rashtriya Ekatma Yatra is not an expression. It is our tribute to those who made supreme sacrifice to gain freedom to us. It is our tribute to founding fathers of the Constitution who brought about this nation into existence. It is our tribute to Sardar Patel that he could integrate the princely states. And this teaches us one thing. No matter what the challenges are, we will always keep nation first. Our nationalism can never be compromised. No gain whatsoever can be a justifiable ground to overlook national interest. The spirit of nationalism should be 24/7 in us. The nation, for the first time, is having an atmosphere of hope and possibility. No nation in the world has grown as fast, as exponentially, in economic terms, in infrastructure terms, in digitization terms, in technological penetration, as Bharat. India today, the youth are bubbling with aspiration because they have tested everything is achievable. When there will be celebration of independence centenary, 2047, you will be in your prime. You will be driving the engine. You will be feeling the progress. It is your time. You are the greatest stakeholders. I am reminded what Vajpayee ji said. निज हाथों में हंसते हंसते. Mark what he says. He was a great poet, a great prime minister. Bharat Ratna Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji. He was the first non-Congress prime minister of this country. निज हाथों में हंसते हंसते आग लगाकर जलना होगा, कदम मिलाकर चलना होगा. Understand the meaning of it. That you will face all trials and tribulations, but we will be marching ahead in togetherness for our nation. And we must march together. Act East policy has done wonders. Number of airports have gone to 17 from 9. 5 states of Northeast are connected by air. There are 3 international airports. Digital connectivity. I gather 95% is by 4G so far. Road connectivity. And efforts are for rail connectivity. The number of visits the Prime Minister has made there is remarkable. All I am suggesting is, and through you to every Indian, there is no more attractive tourist destination in the world than Northeast. We Indians, all of us in togetherness, must make it a habit travel east, tour east, and contribute for development of the East. The number of tourists going to Northeast every year is now over 1.25 crores. That's a great development. And let me tell you another thing. India is changing and the world is changing because the world is recognizing India as a power. In 1990, when I was a minister, as Lok Sabha member, and went to Jammu and Kashmir, Srinagar, not 20 people were on the street. And mind you, for last 2-3 years, more than 2 crore tourists are going to Jammu and Kashmir. Look at the big change. I am extremely happy and delighted because every time I go to Northeast, अब देखिए मेघालय की टर्मरिक, ऐसी टर्मरिक कहीं मिलती है क्या? मेघालय की टर्मरिक. I had the good occasion to receive Member Parliament Rajya Sabha from Meghalaya. And he said, sir, I'll be sending you turmeric. Your farming is natural and organic. When I went to some of the Northeast states, I ran into a girl. Sir, my name was there in Man Ki Baat for this. And that was a great floriculture she had shown me. So India in the world, because of seminal cultural contribution of Northeast, is a place unrivaled in the world. Let us share our thoughts. I commend to Mr. Chauhan, you must expand, now not arithmetically, but geometrically. I would love to receive more of such delegations. My congratulations to all of you. May God bless you. Bharat Mata ki Jai. Bharat Mata ki Jai.